Amy Cuddy, a Harvard researcher and the author of a book titled Presence, shared her study that demonstrated the impact of body posture on testosterone and cortisol. 42 students were split into two groups. The researchers took samples of saliva from each participant to measure their base levels of cortisol and testosterone. From there, subjects in the first group were asked to assume power postures, a sitting position that conveyed an attitude of confidence. They were asked to raise their heads, sit straight with balance, openness, and relaxation. The second group were instructed to assume a posture that conveyed weakness, defeat, and loss of control. This included standing with a bent back or sitting with a hunch, all of which are postures of reclusion and stress. After 2 minutes, another sample of saliva was taken from each participant to evaluate any possible changes in their levels of cortisol and testosterone. When the research team compared the results between the two groups, they were astonished at the extent to which posture affects the levels of both hormones. In the first group, the one with the positive body posture, the level of testosterone, the confidence hormone, increased by 20%, and the level of cortisol, the stress hormone, decreased by 25%. On the other hand, in the second group, the level of testosterone dropped by 10%, and the level of cortisol rose by 15%. This means that in just 2 minutes, the first group had become physiologically more prepared to tolerate pressure and make effective decisions.